Yo guys!
Yo guys!
And I'm here with Thomas and that girl over there. Wait, shut up. And here we're going to be making a video. This challenge is kind of a challenge. We have to put a load of sweets in the mouth and say something really funny. We're not saying it yet, but when we put a random sweet, we've got to eat it all at once. Let's do this at least, because we are definitely not showing us eating that. Save some for the video. Alright, so we're going to be doing it with crisps first, isn't it?
Yeah,
Crisps, then Haribos, and then Tic Tacs.
I don't have Tic Tacs.
Oh, you got Skittles?
No.
Alright, it's just crisps and Haribos. I've got an extra pack of Haribos there. So what we're doing is just saying something, it'll come out very silly, but let's get to it. There. So first we're going to start with these. We've got to actually no, it's Haribos first, isn't it?
No.
Oh, it's crisps. We got to shove a lot in our mouth. Say something
You got
funny.
yours?
Yeah. No, I've run out of crisps.
Right, get some.
Right, get those. Get those.
No!
That's what you're meant to be doing. That's the whole point. Right, that's it.
3, 2, 1.
Right. Fat really angry.
Waiting!
Fat really.
Happy bear!
Gay monkeys. Oh god, that was complete fail.
Hi guys!
Oh, species. Can't we?
What else is people?
Naughty.
Now it's the Haribo challenge!
No. Forgot to eat any leftovers. Not really. Not really. These are not yours.
Right.
Probably gonna be a bit sick after this, aren't we?
Yeah.
Skittles almost poisoned them earlier.
Yeah, Skittles tried to poison me.
As if.
I got 3 hearts.
They're not hearts, they're fruit, they're cherries.
Oh, cherries.
We're not starting yet. Got a couple loads. See all these. We're gonna be sick after this, aren't we? I'm scared. I'm gonna put a few back in there. It's these ones that make me feel sick. Just put them here. Just got a couple here. Now I got 3, 2, 1. Fat Willy Chubby Bully.
Choppy bully!
Twerking monkey.
Just falling out of my mouth.
Fat ass Dalek. That was a fail.
Huh?
Okay. Alright, doing this whole challenge. Oi! Cheater. Shut your mouth. Alright. 2-1. I win.
Huh?
Yeah, I win because you took your sweet, some of your sweets out. You're not allowed to do that.
No, they came out.
But still, you got to keep them in.
Oh.
Alright, next full challenge. Friendship. See who knows each other the best. So we're gonna think of some questions, ask people, and then see.
Ha ha ha.
You're first.
What?
Yeah, who knows each other best? So ask me a question about you.
Dunno.
No, like What colour hair have I got, or am I gay or something like that?
Are you stupid?
I said you.
Am I stupid?
No, Tommy. No, Thomas. Let's ask it properly. Like, what is my middle name or something like that?
What is my middle name?
Have a clue. Don't. No. What is? Tell me a clue.
The first letter R and the next word begins with L.
Richard Lawrence.
No, I know.
Yoda. So she's just computer man. Computer girl.
Sorry. Go on.
I bet she's gonna beat me off in a minute. Alright. Clue. Tay, I give up. I give up. What is it? What is it, Tom?
Ray Leonard!
How am I meant to know that?
I know that.
Alright, my turn. Alright, no one's got points at a minute. What was my dad's called? Basically, what's my granddad called?
Steve?
No,
I give up.
it's the same as my middle name, and it's the same as my dad's name. No, it's not John.
Give me a clue.
Begins with a C and a H.
Colin?
Well, how do you know? CHR. The first sound is cr. Get back on camera. Yeah.
Spell it for me.
Chris! Yeah!
Oh!
Alright, you got half point for that.
Was it Chris?
Yes.
Yes.
And that's my dad's name and my granddad's. Alright. You're winning 1-0.
Oh,
Remember that, computer girl. 1-0. You asked me a question about you.
Am I ginger?
No.
Yes.
Ha 1-0. He's not ginger, by the way. He's strawberry blonde.
I'm ginger.
You're not ginger.
I'm ginger.
You're not ginger.
I'm ginger.
Your sister's ginger. Not
no.
her. The other one. You're strawberry blonde. You told me. 1-0.
Yeah.
Alright, next one. What was the first dog that I have ever seen called?
Lily?
No.
Damn it!
Begins with a B and ends with an R.
What?
Yeah, begins with a B. Bust.
Buster!
Tell you, I'm giving too much clues. I'm only giving you one clue this whole thingy. Yes. 2-1. Alright. You asked me a question.
What's my doggy called? My first one.
Summer.
Yeah.
2-0. Alright. What is my mum's second name?
No, I know. It's Joe.
No, that's the first name.
Oh. Hudson?
No, it used to be, but no.
Oh.
Because I've got a stepdad now. We got married.
Give me a clue.
Begins with an S and begins with an S, and it sounds a bit like Steve.
Stephen?
So close. Just one more letter at the end.
Stephen.
No, one letter at the end, not a word. We're out of time. Do you give up?
Stevener.
No, do you give up now?
Yeah.
Stevens.
I did tell you. He's dead. Watch this. I'm going to stab him with a knife. Ching, get off, Red.
Alright.
Die.
Alright, 2-2 still. Alright, you ask me a question.
There's 2.
Yeah, 2-2.
What is what is the biggest school ever?
No, it's about you that you're asking a question about.
Oh. What school will I next go to?
Can't seal.
No, that will be year 6.
No, year 6 is the same school as this one. The next full school, which you just asked, is Hartseal.
Yeah, but you're leaving then.
I don't care. 3-2. Alright. What is my middle name? I did tell you it earlier in the questions.
I know.
It's not John. Begins with a C. I told you this before.
Chris.
3-3. 3-3. What are them? What do we?
My turn.
No, it's not. Is it? Wait, is it my turn?
Mine.
Ah.
What's my favourite crisp?
Spirals.
No.
Salt and vinegar. Walkers.
No.
Okay, what?
It is.
No, wait. What's it?
No.
I give up. I was about to say
It
what's
is.
it?
Doritos.
Oh my god! Alright, 4-3.
Chili ones.
Alright, Thomas. You might get
It's
this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, is it?
Oh no,
it's
shut up. 4-3. 4-3. Yeah. Now, I've just kissed your bed for accident. Does my mum? Actually, no, it's me. What time do I go to bed? I told you this 100 times before this video.
7 o'clock?
No.
12:08?
No, so close.
12:08?
I used to, but no.
11 o'clock.
So close. So close.
1 o'clock.
No.
10 o'clock.
Yes. You got no point for that.
Damn you!
4
Damn
all.
you!
4 all.
Damn you!
4 all. Yeah, 4 all. And now the final question. That's from you.
Huh?
This is the final question of the whole video. Go on. Ask me a question that I'm not going to get.
Do it more.
No, I can't because the time's run out on it. Hurry up. Then.
How did I eat my sweets?
By doing that challenge earlier.
No.
Yes? Because
No.
you just ate some of your sweets. Alright, you got some sweets and put it in your mouth.
No.
Yeah.
I shook them. And
Yeah,
what
that
happened
was
to
the
them?
challenge.
What happened to them?
You ate them.
No. 2 came.
Tom, that challenge is exactly what you just said, you know. But just you put
2
more detail
came.
on. Alright, I win. No, that's 4
2 came
all.
out. 2 came out.
4
2 came
all.
out.
Alright, now that I've just lost this really embarrassing round, I've got to give a couple of my sweets to him. Who's in there, ain't I can let you back it. You can have half my sweets now. These are mine, not yours. fast oodle. There you are, so I'm giving you.
I'm ready. Shall
Yeah.
I say thank you for watching?
No, I will. Thank you for watching and see you. And yeah, just you say thank you for watching or something. Just
Thank you very much.
Oi, why? Very much.